Hey everyone, this is Builder Tones. Today we're going to talk a little bit about making zones. Um, it may sound a little complicated, but actually we're not making zones, we're importing zones, but you can create zones. Let me explain the difference. Okay, we are here in this world that we created. By the way, it was created by Builder Tones and Builder Tabs. So now that we've created our world, as you can see, as you look behind me, there's nothing here. So how do we fix that? Well, we could start by building from scratch and building with Caneva boards. But let's say we don't want to do that. Let's say we want to put something here. We want to import a zone into our lobby. Well, let's go. Okay, first thing we got to do is go down here to the Create button and step over to Build, and we're going to choose Develop. Okay, as you can see the all the icons down here. And the first thing we need to do is go to Zones. So this menu pops up, and it tells us that right now the community default is the one we're standing in. So let's say we want to bring something in here to replace our lobby. Well, what we would do is go to Import Zone right here. If we wanted to add another zone to our lobby, then we would create new zone. But I tell you what, let's start off with importing something into this area here. So let's go to Import Zone. Okay, we get a menu telling us that these are the choices we have of the free starting zones. We've got Beach House, Outdoor Retreat, an Island, and Green Acres. Of course, we've got other choices here that we can go into Shop and purchase also. Plus, if you have any other communities, they will show up in here, which you can also import those. But I think right now, we're going to go ahead and import let me see, what do we want? I tell you what, let's import an island. Yeah. So we hit OK. So the zone you are in has finished importing. Do you want to reload the zone? You click on Yes. And here we are in our same place. It's our Building for Fun community zone. But it's an island now, which is very cool. Very cool. We can run around and explore. Okay, well now we've turned our other zone into an island, which is very cool. Okay, what if you want to add to this? Let's say, for example, you want to keep adding another zone on top of this one. Well, that's not a problem. Let's go ahead and go back into the Create button. Go to Develop and back into Zones. As you can see, right now we're still in the default, the current, but we want to add another one to this. Well, we go to New Zone. This time, let's choose an outdoor retreat. You click it gently, and you come down here and give it a name. Let's call it Outdoor Fun. Once we have the name and we've selected the one we want, we click OK. And we're brought back to the zone editor. And as you can see, this is our current one where we're at right now. And we've added another zone to it, which is outdoor fun. So now in order to go there, all you have to do is click on it and choose Go to Zone. And here we are. See how simple it is to add new zones and import zones? If we wanted to, we could change this also. But for now, we'll keep it as is. Now, you're probably thinking, well, how do I get back to where I was? Not a problem. Just go back to Create, go to Develop, go to Zones, and choose the default. That's where we started. So just choose Default and go to Zone. And now we're back in our island, and our new zone has been added. So now you've learned how to import a zone into your lobby and add a zone to it. So how cool is that? Okay, well, we hope you learned something in this tutorial, and we can't wait to see what you've built. Till later, this is Builder Tones signing off.